Think about the last time you sat down to watch a movie at home. You grabbed your remote, turned on your TV, and were instantly greeted by a chaotic, sluggish home screen cluttered with ugly ads for streaming services you don't even own. You clicked an app, waited for it to buffer, and when the movie finally started, the dark scenes looked muddy, the audio felt flat, and you found yourself constantly adjusting the volume just to hear the dialogue. We've accepted this as the normal smart TV experience. We tolerate the lag, the cheap plastic remotes, and the frustrating interfaces because we think that's just how modern TVs work. But what if the problem isn't your television at all? What if your expensive screen is being severely choked by a cheap, underpowered operating system? While the tech world constantly obsesses over the latest smart TVs, a quiet revolution has been happening right under our noses. Tucked away inside a sleek, silent black box is a device that doesn't just stream video. It completely overrides your television's native brain, transforming it into an absolute cinematic powerhouse. This isn't just another streaming stick to compete with a cheap dongle or a basic streaming box. This is Apple's highest stakes play for the living room. A device built with raw, overkill processing power designed to do one specific thing: deliver the absolute purest, most breathtaking audio and visual experience humanly possible in a home environment. This is the ultimate inside look at the Apple TV 4K. To understand why this device has developed an almost cult-like following among home theater purists and tech enthusiasts alike, you have to look at the massive fundamental flaw of the modern smart TV industry. When you buy a brand new television, whether it costs $500 or $5,000, manufacturers spend 95% of their budget on the physical panel. The glass, the LEDs, the thin bezels. The internal computer processor that actually runs the apps and handles the user interface is almost always an afterthought. It's the cheapest chip they can find to keep costs down. That is why your brand new TV feels blazing fast for the first 3 months, and then slowly degrades into a laggy, unresponsive mess as apps get heavier and software updates roll out. Apple looked at this frustrating cycle and decided to solve it with sheer, unadulterated processing power. Tucked inside the Apple TV 4K is an internal Bionic processor, a chip originally engineered to power high-end flagship smartphones and tablets. In the world of streaming boxes, putting a chip of this caliber into a media player is the equivalent of dropping a roaring V8 engine into a golf cart. It is complete glorious overkill. But that raw power is exactly why the experience is so jarringly superior. The moment you press a button on the remote, there is zero latency. Apps don't just load, they instantly snap onto the screen. Swiping through massive libraries of 4K content feels as smooth as butter, running at a flawless 60 frames per second. The interface doesn't stutter, it doesn't drop frames, and it never forces you to stare at a spinning loading wheel just to open a menu. It ruins every other streaming interface for you permanently. Once you experience this level of fluid responsiveness, using a standard smart TV interface feels like stepping backward into the dial-up internet era. But Apple didn't just build a fast menu. They used this massive computational muscle to fundamentally upgrade how video data is decoded and displayed on your screen. The Apple TV 4K is a masterclass in video